The first video showed you the instructions on how to put the card together. Now I'm just going to go through and put the card together. I'm going to grab my large foil tape. I'm going to open the card up. We're going to put copper tape over these pads. So let's do that. At any time you can fast forward to the next section. Piece of tape there. Now that that is complete, we're going to go and punch holes with a supplied paper clip through these black holes that are indicated here, 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 and there. The best way I found is just to hold the paper clip over the card and just pull the card up towards you. Okay, the holes are made. The first thing is that we have a white LED, white or amber, and then these are the faders. So here's our LEDs in here. The quickest way to determine which one is which is to grab a coin battery, and the long lead goes to the positive side of the battery, and the short one goes to the negative side. So this one is fading, as you can see. I tested all these out. I determined these were all the fading ones, and this one right in here was the flickering amber. You may also receive a white one and or a white one. Alright, let's start off with the amber one. Now according to these directions, the long side, the plus side, goes on this side, and the short side goes on that side. So here I have it. Here's the long and short. I'm going to take this, go around the front of the card, which is right here. I'm going to place that through. There that is. Then the next step in here is to spread these leads across, like so. We're creating some stability as we do that. Now this still can spin a little bit. I'm going to go to the front, kind of just make sure that's all nice and straight. Great. And then in here, I'm just going to grab the bottom of the lead. I'm just going to give it a little bend. Put one on that side. I'm going to put one on this side. If you need assistance, this is it's a little tricky, but it is manageable. There we have it. Now we have that. Awesome. Now let's do the same thing with our faders. The long side goes on this side, the short on this side. You know what, maybe I'll put my bend in right now. Maybe that'll make it a little easier. There we go. Let's grab another fader. Again, this is the long side on this side, short side. Flip the card over. And you'll get a feel for this. Long side, short side. There you go. There it is. Nice, nice. Through the front. Oh, this one bent a little bit, so I'm going to try to fix that. There we go. This one needs a little help too. It's okay, we're just making a project. Sometimes it needs a little tweak. Nice. There we go. I'm just getting them all lined up. They look pretty good. Okay. Now, I'm going to put this tape on. I'm going to trace over these lines. I grab a nice spool of it. Oh, there's a lot of different techniques. I'm going to try to put this on as not to rip or tear the tape. If you can do it, that's best. And if not, no worries. You know what? Here. I can't make that turn as quickly as I'd like. So, the tape broke. It's okay. Put it back over where I started. Use a nail. There is a technique in here too. If you want, zoom in there. If you want, you can just take the tape and just kind of, bunch it up a little bit. You can bunch it up a little bit to make the turn. It's okay. It's thin tape. So just bunching it up a little bit made the turn. Kind of glancing in the camera every now and again to make sure that I'm putting this on video. Then I have a ballpoint pen. Gonna hit these spots in there. Make sure you get a nice connection in there. The tape did break a couple times. It's okay though. Let me put the other leg on. This side in here is the negative terminal. Oops. Tape broke again. I'm not worried. I'm just smushing it down there. I'll smush it down here too a little bit. There we go. If you have a little pen or use your nail, make sure that those are, connected pretty well. And then just for extra connectivity, I'm going to tape over those pads again. I have plenty of tape. I was given more than enough tape to do this project, so why not? Put it right down over that. Help keep that in place. I like using the sticker tape. A little bit easier to handle. I mean, we just created a sandwich with that. Look at that. Is that going to light up? I'd say so. Now in here I have an interesting thing. I don't have to put these on 3 times. I can just put it over all 3. That's what I'm going to do. I'm firmly pressing on here to keep those all in. I know everyone's excited to see this light up, including myself. There we go. Tape's all done. Firmly pressing it. Okay, I'm just going to fold that over there. Fold that in half. If you need to, you can fold it backwards first. Then you can fold it forward. Now this battery in here, this one is not the C2032. It's a little bit smaller of a voltage. A little smaller of a voltage. It is coming through. I'm looking for another battery around here. You know what I'm going to do? I just happen to have 3 volts hooked up to here. This is the positive. This is the negative. There you go. That's what it should look like. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to grab a little bit more of this tape. Because I love electronics. I'll do that. Now I can just hook up my alligator clip to here and show off my cool design. Look at that. That's so cool. And then when I signed my birthday card to my friend, I said, "Dennis, have a blast." And he really enjoyed that. So here it is. Here's the Cheney Electronics card. It's a happy birthday card. CLC003. I just had to give it a quick check. This is the 3rd card we've ever made. Let's see. Will it short out? See, it shorted out. I did that intentionally to show you that if these clips, if these 2 touch like that, sandwich, it'll short it out. It's okay. That's when you'd want to use some Scotch tape. But there you have it. Fun card. And then as these faders cycle, makes it look like the ship's moving. Alright, well, I really enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something from it and hope you enjoyed this card. Have a great day.